We're open for a new pasta. Today we're gonna have a guanciale with cherry tomato and sort of like a pesto basil sauce, all right? Let's go. Ciao ragazzi. We're gonna do another type of pasta. We're gonna use guanciale. You see how beautiful this guanciale is? Cherry tomatoes, Parmigiano Reggiano. Then we're gonna spice it up a little bit, but not too much. A little bit. We're gonna use the basil. We're gonna make a little pesto with the basil. We're gonna toss it all together. We're gonna make the pasta that looks a little bit greenish, reddish, okay? It's gonna be really fantastic. See, I'm very dangerous with this knife. Let's start by cleaning the guanciale. Remove the cotina, the skin, and then we're gonna start slicing. And we're gonna chop this, okay? Toss it into the pan. Add a little bit of oil. Why little oil? Because the guanciale already has a lot of fat. You want the guanciale to cook on its own fat. We just leave it like this until it's nice and crispy. Guys, if you don't have guanciale, you can use pancetta, you can use bacon, it's fine. You have to make it crispy, not too high the temperature. We're gonna turn it off. And we're just gonna let it stay there for a while. And we're gonna put the pasta. A couple of spoons of salt. Perfect. And we're gonna toss the rigatoni. All right, boom. Now we're gonna put the tomato inside. Add a little bit of peperoncino. We're gonna do a little bit of pesto, a different one, very, very simple. Start by putting some basil inside. Put some Parmesan, add some extra virgin olive oil, add a little bit of salt. All right, let's go. So a little bit more water, olive oil. All right, here we go. This is our pesto, finish. Just blend it, basil and Parmesan and olive oil, simple, okay? Nothing crazy, simple thing. Add the pesto inside here. Add a little bit of cooking water. Yeah, look at this. Nice, simple, really nice. Pasta ready. Wow, look at this. Uno, due, tre. Turn this on again. And we're gonna finish this. Parmigiano on top. Bing, boom, bam. Wow, look at this, how beautiful it is. Nice and creamy, huh? So let's go with the pasta here. Look at this, let's plate it. Oh my God, look at this, how beautiful it is. Finish it off with some Parmigiano Reggiano. This is our rigatoni with guanciale, cherry tomato, and basil pesto. Fantastic. Okay, this pasta is amazing. The taste of the guanciale, the smokiness, the pepper, but with the pesto, and the cherry tomato, oh my God, controversy. We're gonna have this as a special. Wow. Oh my God, this is so good. Look at that. Amazing.